Tracheophyta and Pteridophyta. Tracheophyta, vascular plants. 1. Water tracheophytes. Tracheophytes are vascular plants that have xylem and phloem for the conduction of water, minerals, and organic solutes. 2. Why are tracheophytes named so? They are named due to the universal presence of tracheids in their xylem. 3. What is the main plant body of tracheophytes? The main plant body is the sporophyte, consisting of roots, stems, and leaves with vascular systems. 4. What is the role of protected sporangia in tracheophytes? Protected sporangia led to the evolution of seeds, enhancing their reproductive success. 5. How do tracheophytes transmit male gametes safely? Tracheophytes use a pollen tube, making the transmission of male gametes water independent. 6. What features of tracheophytes enhance reproductive success? The presence of flowers and fruits enhances their reproductive success. 7. What type of life cycle do tracheophytes exhibit? Tracheophytes exhibit a heteromorphic alternation of generations. 8. What are the 4 subdivisions of tracheophytes? Xylopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Pteropsida. Pteridophyta, seedless vascular plants. 9. What are pteridophytes? Pteridophytes are seedless vascular plants, including Xylopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Felicinae. 10. What distinguishes Xylopsida from other vascular plants? Xylopsida lack true roots and have rhizomes with rhizoids for anchorage. 11. What type of leaves are found in Xylopsida? Xylopsida have small green scales instead of true leaves for photosynthesis. 12. Where are sporangia located in Xylopsida? Sporangia are located at the apical tips or along the lateral sides of aerial branches. 13. Which is the most well-known genus of Xylopsida? Solutes is the most well-known genus. 14. What are Lycopsida commonly known as? Lycopsida are commonly known as club mosses, spike mosses, and quillworts. 15. What type of leaves do Lycopsida have? Lycopsida have scale-like leaves called microphyles, each with a single strand of vascular tissue. 16. What is the function of strobili in Lycopsida? Strobili bear sporangia for reproduction and appear club-shaped. 17. Name 2 genera of Lycopsida. Lycopodium and 18. What is Sphenopsida commonly called? Sphenopsida are commonly called horsetails. 19. What is the only surviving genus of Sphenopsida? Equisetum is the only surviving genus of Sphenopsida. 20. What are the aerial stems of Sphenopsida called, and why? They are called arthrophytes due to their hollow, jointed structures. 21. Where are spores produced in Sphenopsida? Spores are produced in rings of sporangia arranged in cones at the tips of fertile shoots. Pteropsida and ferns. 22. What are the 3 classes of Pteropsida? Felicinae, ferns, Gymnospermae, and Angiospermae. 23. Which group of Pteropsida includes seedless vascular plants? Felicinae, ferns, are seedless vascular plants. 24. Where are ferns most abundant? Ferns are abundant in warm and moist tropical regions. 25. What is circinate venation? It is a growth pattern where young fern fronds are coiled and later flatten out. 26. What is the main plant body of Adiantum? The main plant body of Adiantum is the sporophyte, consisting of roots, stems, and leaves. 27. What protects the rhizome in Adiantum? The rhizome is protected by brownish scales called ramenta. 28. What are sori in ferns? Sori are clusters of sporangia located on the underside of fern leaves. 29. What is the role of the annulus in a sporangium? The annulus exerts pressure on the sporangium wall, leading to its bursting for spore dispersal. 30. What happens during spore germination in Adiantum? The spore germinates, producing a gametophyte called a prothallus. 31. What is the shape of the gametophyte in adiantum? The gametophyte is heart-shaped with a central notch. 32. What are the two reproductive organs found on the gametophyte? Antheridia, male, and Archegonia, female. 33. What is chemotaxis in ferns? Chemotaxis is the movement of anthrozoids towards the Archegonia in response to chemical stimuli. 34. What is heteromorphic alternation of generations? It is a life cycle where the sporophyte and gametophyte generations are morphologically distinct. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.